The SIMREX X500 Mini Drone is designed with user-friendly features like optical flow positioning and altitude hold, making it a breeze for beginners to achieve stable hovering for clear photography. Its foldable and lightweight design ensures that the X500 is easy to carry, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor flying adventures. Equipped with a dual camera system, this drone can capture high-quality 720-pixel videos and clear aerial photos, providing a live video feed directly to your smartphone. The Headless Security Mode allows pilots to fly the drone to any location without worrying about its orientation, which is especially helpful for avoiding loss of direction. The X500's ability to perform 360-degree flips and rolls adds an element of excitement and fun, making it an attractive option even for drone newcomers. With a single charge supporting up to 13 minutes of flight, the SIMREX X500 ensures ample time to enjoy thrilling aerial maneuvers and capture stunning visuals.